Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be talking about my curly hair, and we're going to be doing a little get ready with me because I have to go like right after this video. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows like I always do. All this hair in my face, oh my god, like it needs to back up. Alright, so first you're going to be using this tool right here. It has a spoolie and the concealer thingy. So you're going to be starting with your eyebrows. So lately I've been using Elf, and this is the shade Black. God, let me back up, like I'm all up in the camera. So yeah, you're gonna use your spoolie. Let me move my hair. Let me move my coolie hair. Bitches be like, I'm coolie. Yeah. So now that I shaded my eyebrows in, now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer like I always do. Yeah. I'm going to be using LA Girl Pro. The color is Beautiful Bronze. So as you guys do recall, I haven't been putting concealer on the top of my eyes because once again I'm trying to look, you know, like still look like myself but not OD with the makeup, you know what I'm saying? So now I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. foundation, yeah, and I'm going to put a little bit on my hand, just a little. A lot came out. All right, so I'm going to move my hair back. I'm going to take a little bit over here and I'm going to go like this. That's all I'm going to do. Now you're going to take your foundation brush and you're going to want to blend that in. Okay guys, so once that is blended in, it looks like your eyebrows is as natural as it can get. It doesn't get natural than this. Like, you barely see the concealer underneath. You're going to go back in with your chisel and just brush it out. Okay guys, so now that your eyebrows is finished, now look how excited I am. Like, why am I so excited to do like makeup? Like, since when have I ever been excited? Like this. Alright, so I'm going to wear falsies today, so I'm going to put a little bit eyeliner on the top of my eyelids and the bottom of my eyelids, and then I'm gonna apply my falsies. So I don't know if you guys can see that. It's just a little bit that I put. By the way guys, this eyeliner is Revlon. You can get it anywhere for literally $5.99. So now you're gonna go right back in your e.l.f. dip brow, and you're going to dip a little bit of this tool right here. Everybody has this tool in their makeup kit. I don't know what it's for. People use it for like a wing liner, but I'm going to go ahead and use it for the bottom of my eye, whatever. Whatever. Alright, I'm gonna do this off camera, but basically guys, you're just gonna put it right under there because like I'm not gonna do it on camera because it's gonna make me cry. Hey guys, so I just came back from putting the eyeliner and then putting the bottoms and then applying my falsies. So Now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. foundation. So I'm going to bobby pin my hair back. Okay, so go ahead and put some of that foundation. Put it over here because it comes out a lot. So now you're going to go ahead and blend that in. So now that you did your foundation, you're going to go ahead and, you know what I do, I mix my concealers in my foundation. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Use my e.l.f. foundation and a little bit concealer. Get that creamy base. So now that you did that to your face, you're going to go back in with this concealer by Kiss. This is like one of my favorite concealers that I've using. I think it said using. So I'm going to go back in with this and I'm going to put a little bit under here because this looks like too much of my skin tone. So, you know. Okay guys, so I just finished putting a little bit concealer on top of the creamy concealer that I just did. You know, I made these little smiley faces because you gotta have fun with your makeup. Like, don't sit there looking all bored and shit. Like, alright, so I'm gonna use my favorite brush that I told y'all about and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out. So now that you're done blending your face out, oh my god, I'm feeling it. Yes, let's go. Nah. Now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier. Y'all know I love this setting powder. And this is it, medium deep. I'm going to set everywhere that I put concealer. Either now, my favorite part out of this whole makeup routine is cutting right here. Here we go. Could have been a better cut. So now I feel like this part that I'm about to do, a lot of makeup artists don't tell beginners. So you're going to get a palette, or if you have like a face setting powder. So if you don't have one, you're going to buy a darker one for your contour so you can, like, you know, smooth out your contour. And then you're going to have like one shade lighter for your concealer. So you're going to put, listen, I'm over here stuttering, so y'all just gonna see what I'm about to do. So you're going to take a brush and you're going to look inside this palette. Whatever palette you have, just make sure it has like the tones and shades for you. So in this palette right here, it has like a dark brown right here. So I'm going to be using this dark brown to set my contour. Do you guys see a difference? Because I do. You're going to go in circular motion. So now, you're going to get a smaller brush to contour your nose. Yeah. Because y'all see what I'm doing. Okay. I just got mad hype just now. What you've all been waiting for. Nah. So you're going to get another brush and you're going to go to a lighter brown, but almost the same color brown. And you're going to basically just, you know, okay guys, so after you put a lighter brown under your, you know, under your eyes, you're basically done. But you have to, well, if you want to blush, you can. I'm going to be blushing today because I blush. But, and you're going to put highlight, you know, we're going to get to the rest of the video, like. So for blush, you're going to smile like this. See the difference? So for highlight, I'm going to be using my e.l.f. highlighter. Shimmer, shimmer. So now after that, you're going to remove your pins and let that curly hair go. First, I'm going to put my lippy on. I'm not showing y'all my lip gloss because y'all already know the vibes. Like, okay, guys. So after we're finished beating our face, giving you guys all the tips on what I do and like how to do it, how to like make sure that your makeup looks beautiful. Now we're gonna get into hair. I'm not telling y'all where I got this hair from because companies are not paying me to promote these hairs. Every time I promote hair on my YouTube channel, y'all go and buy it out, and then I get an email talking about some, oh, thank you for the promotion. Oh no, I'm just getting a thank you. I'm not getting no money. That bitch is broke. Back to my video. So this is what I use to define my curls. I can't do it for the video because as soon as I woke up and put this hair in, I put this in my hair and then I added a little bit of water. It's a little wet, like the back you can see that it's a little bit wet, but other than that, when I tell you, baby girl, my goodness, oh my god, his hair is like, oh my god. Oh my god. But yeah, I can flow it up, flow it up, flow it up. It is full. Oh my god. But nah, if you go on my YouTube channel, this is my YouTube channel. I wish I could tell y'all where I got this hair from, but I can't. If you want to know, like, if you personally want to know, just DM me, hit me in a DM, and like, I'll send you the link, because I'm not dropping this right here for everybody to go and cop. They make money, and I'm chilling with no bread, like. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys like this video. To all the makeup beginners, you seen where I started when I didn't know how to be my face. I didn't have no contour. Like, I was just broke, like, just down bad. And if you're in that stage, just watch this video. You're going to love it because I love it already. But yeah. Nah. Alright, I'm out of here, guys, because I gotta go. This was to get ready with me, but I wanted to get into details to what I'm doing. But guy, bye.